Guys, Nityanandam, this is Sri Nitya Jagat Premananda here. Hope you all doing good. So today I have an interesting sharing that is about my Atmalinga. So this is my Atmalinga. Somebody actually personally gave it to me. So I received him on Cambodia. That was on 2014 December. So somebody actually gave it to all the participants who attended the opening on the December. So we see there is carvings on top of the Shivalinga. It's actually Sri Chakra, and it is Linga, and on top of the Linga there is a small dot, which is Guru. So three energy in one, three in one actually. So it's a very powerful deity. So I have a very personal experience with this Atmalinga. So what happened when somebody initiated us, he literally gave it us like it's our personal Atmalinga means soul. It's Atmalinga means our own. It's our personal Atmalinga. So only once we will be receiving it. So we have to be taking care of this very carefully. So what happened was when Swamiji gave it, he literally told that we will be receiving this only once, and this Atmalinga is actually alive, and he will be literally reacting to everything. They will react, they will respond to whatever that you are actually talking, whatever you want, they actually literally react to you. So after getting it, I went back to Malaysia and then continued my normal life. And somebody always said that I keep this Atmalinga always with you. So beginning of the time, I don't have any pouch or anything for this Atmalinga. So I don't know how to keep it with me. So I'll be just keeping it inside my wallet. So every time I travel, I'll just put it inside my wallet, and then I'll will be putting it in my pocket. I'll be wandering around with the Atmalinga. Anything, I'll be just talking to him. And every day I'll be just, when I eat, before I eat, I'll just put food for him, drinks. I'll be literally treating him as a living deity. So what happened at one point, I was rushing to somewhere, for a movie. So I was rushing because the time was so short. So I was rushing, whatever. I was wearing my pants. So I didn't realize that the pocket was so small. So I had to stuff in my wallet. Literally, that time I didn't even realize that I put my Atmalinga inside the wallet. So when I stuffed in, literally the Atmalinga just squeezed and he just came out and fell down. I was so shocked, I was so scared. That time I wasn't like, I don't know how to react. Immediately I just went and took him. I saw there was a small crack around this area. It's like maybe a 0.5 millimeter, like the pencil lid. How the normal pencil lid will be that thick, that diameter, that big diameter. It had cracked. So I don't know what to do because it's a little crystal. So for sure, if let's say crystal means if any cracked or anything, it won't be healed or you can't do anything. You just need to get a new one. Or getting a new one is the only solution. So that time I was so scared because somebody said, and then I literally remember that it's only one, take care of him as he's alive, something like that. So I was so scared, I don't know what to do. I was turning here because I was the only one in the room. I was staying in a bachelor house, so I was the only one. I don't know what to do, what to react. When I turned on my right hand side, I only saw the Vicks, where if let's say you have a flu or a headache, you'll be putting the Vicks kind of thing. I only saw that. So I just took it, and then I told my Atmalinga, I said, this is the only thing I have. I'm going to apply this, I'm going to take care of you. Please heal yourself. That's all I told. And then for the next 2 to 3 days, I was applying only this Vicks on that same crack. I tell you, the crack literally disappeared on the 3rd day. It literally gone. I was like, after the 3rd day, I woke up, and then every day when I will take, every morning I'll just take, and then when I was to apply the Vicks, I was looking for the crack. And that day, I was literally looking around 5 to 6 times. I was thinking whether I'm blind, suddenly I'm not seeing correctly. So I was going around, Atmalinga, I was going around. Fully I was seeing the crack disappeared. Even one of my roommates, he saw the crack. And then I told him to check also whether the crack is down, and he was shocked that the crack wasn't there. So that time I realized that when Swamiji said he is alive, literally what Swamiji means, that is true. He is alive. And literally, if you see me the crack, I'm not sure whether the camera is clear or not, the crack is not there yet. So why I said yet is because sometimes, again, after the 3rd day, the crack disappeared. And I was like, okay, the crack is gone, why I need to take care of him? Then I was so casual about it. I just left him like, I didn't give him food, I was busy. So I assumed that, okay, he's fine now. We can be normal with him. The next, after 2 days, like 3 days, he got healed. And then next 2 days I didn't take care of him well. The 6th day, the crack reappeared again on the same spot. I tell you that the crack literally reappeared again on the same spot here. And I was like, okay, he's playing with me. Like literally this deity, he's literally alive, and then he really reacts with us the way like how human beings are reacting with us. If let's say a small kid or whatever, whoever it is, let's say we are giving him them some attention, they will literally they will become okay. If let's say we are reduced to give attention, literally they will show all the symptoms like they are sad, everything. Right? This Atmalinga, he literally behaved like a kid, a baby for me. Like after 3 days, the crack got healed. When I didn't give him attention, I don't know how he literally the crack reappeared again. I was shocked, and then I had to reapply again Vicks to him, and then the crack reappeared. This is how I actually play with this Atmalinga. So many miracle things happen here in Midadi, actually in Swamiji's breathing space. So many miracles will happen. You won't even realize that your life is full of miracles. At one point you'll be thinking, hey, everything is miracle here, and you don't need to do anything. Just being in Swamiji's presence. See, what you have to do is, coming 25th July, there are so many opportunities. Swamiji actually given a part. We can come as for some time or for 3 months, or you can become a full-time Adinavas here within whatever it may you can choose. 25th July is the next Inner Awakening. You can come and enjoy yourself. You'll be getting not only this Atmalinga, so many alchemy products he's gonna give, and I tell you, everything is. It's a mind-blowing product. You wouldn't even know these things exist, and it really react to you as how we react to ourselves. So alive things are here, 25th July, and soon we are having Adinavasi program. You can be a full-time Adinavasi here. It's called Sadashivatva. You can apply for that also, or you can apply for Nityananda Yoga only for Inner Awakening graduates who already did Inner Awakening graduates. You can apply for Nityananda Yoga, which is 3 months program. Literally Swamiji will be there, and then you will be spending most of your time with Swamiji. If you want to join this, you have to attend Inner Awakening. So 25th July is your next thing, and don't forget Maha Sadashivaham. It's happening on December. Please don't ever think of I'll come next time. Don't postpone it. It is now, because Swamiji himself said last year 2016 Sadashivaham. He actually gave 10 to 11 mandalas, all the alchemy products which hold so many different kind of energy for your to radiate in each part of your life. And Swamiji this time says that he's gonna infuse all those mandalas inside us. He's gonna literally stitch everything inside us, and it's the one thing that I don't want anyone to miss. So grab everything, get a ticket, go to innerawakening.org, pay, done all the payments, pack your bag, and don't come empty bag. Bring 3 empty suitcases, because he's gonna give a lot. A lot means 3 full luggages. So come with 3 full empty luggages and be here, and let's some fun together. And I tell you, you will make your life as miraculous as you ever imagined before. It's going to be a massive thing. Be here. Nityanandam, thank you.